Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into the latest in beauty tech, skincare, and all things self-care. Today, we're talking about something you may not expect on a beauty channel, oral care. But trust me, a healthy smile is an essential part of your overall beauty routine, and today's product promises to take your oral hygiene to a new level. If you're tired of traditional flossing methods and looking for something more effective, you're in the right place. Now, before we get started, if you love honest reviews that cut through the noise and give you the real deal, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss out on future reviews. Let's jump into the Waterpik Water Flosser Classic Professional WP72 and the DT100E Implant Denture Replacement Tips. The Waterpik Water Flosser Classic Professional WP72 is designed to make flossing more effective, not just convenient. This is a countertop model that features 6 pressure modes, offering a wide range of settings to suit your needs. Whether you're looking to tackle plaque, improve gum health, or manage dental work like braces and implants, this flosser delivers up to 1,400 water pulses per minute. It's clinically proven, with the added benefit of being the only brand to hold the American Dental Association's ADA seal of acceptance. The claim here is that you can remove up to 99.9% of plaque from treated areas, and it's 50% more effective than traditional floss at improving gum health. Pretty impressive, right? The real test for me was seeing how it worked in daily use. I've been using this flosser for about 2 weeks now, and it's definitely a game changer. The water pressure is customizable, which means it works well even if you're dealing with sensitive gums. Personally, I tend to go for the gentler settings, but if you need something more powerful, there's an option for that too. What I love most is the 35-ounce reservoir that gives you about 90 seconds of water capacity. No need for constant refills during use, which is a huge time saver. The design is sleek and easy to use, and the on-off handle switch allows for total control over the water flow. Plus, the reservoir is dishwasher safe, making it easy to clean and maintain. The compact size means it doesn't take up too much counter space either. Now, let's talk about the replacement water flosser tips. The DT100E tips are specifically designed for cleaning fixed implants, bridges, and dentures. If you have any of these dental appliances, you know how tricky it can be to clean around them effectively. These tips feature a unique curved design that reaches between natural gum tissue and implant-retained dentures. They're gentle enough to clean delicate areas, but still thorough in their reach. Pros: multiple pressure settings for customizable experience, ADA approved, clinically proven for effectiveness, sleek, space-saving design, dishwasher-safe reservoir for easy maintenance. No need for constant refilling during use. Great for implants, braces, and dentures. Cons: it does take up counter space, so if you're looking for something more portable, this might not be the one for you. The noise level can be a bit higher than traditional flossing, but it's manageable once you get used to it. When it comes to value for money, this product delivers. It's definitely on the pricier side of water flossers, but it's backed by clinical evidence and comes with solid performance. The ease of use, along with the fact that it's ADA approved, makes it a worthwhile investment for those serious about their oral hygiene. If you're on the fence about this product, there are cheaper alternatives out there, but none with the same level of clinical backing and proven results. If you're simply looking for something that's effective, but don't need all the bells and whistles, a basic water flosser might do the trick. However, if you're someone with dental work like braces, implants, or bridges, the added features here are worth the price tag. As for build quality, the Waterpik Water Flosser Classic is solid. The materials feel durable, and the design is built to last. I've used it daily without any issues, and it's showing no signs of wear. Final verdict: the Waterpik Water Flosser Classic Professional WP72 is an effective and reliable choice for anyone serious about improving their oral hygiene routine. Whether you're dealing with sensitive gums, dental work, or just want a more effective alternative to traditional flossing, this product will serve you well. It's especially a great fit for people with implants, bridges, or dentures, but it can be a game changer for anyone wanting healthier gums and a brighter smile. Mid-review call to action. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried this water flosser? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts, whether you love it or if you found something else that works better for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.